In this video, we will go through the steps for recharging your vehicle's air conditioning with the Sub-Zero Synthetic R1234YF Refrigerant AC Recharge Kit. Before we get started, always be sure to wear protective gloves and glasses. And for the best results, make sure the vehicle is in the shade when recharging the AC. Keep the vehicle's front and rear doors open during this process. With the vehicle's engine off, open the hood and locate the air conditioning system's low-pressure service port. This is found on the larger diameter tubing between the compressor and the evaporator. Remove the plastic cap from the port and save it for later use. For additional help in locating your low-side service port, visit rechargeac.com. Next, start the car. Turn on the air conditioning, set the fan to its highest setting and the temperature to its coldest setting. Select recirculation mode. Attach the coupler on the end of the recharge hose to the low-side AC service port identified earlier by pulling the connector ring back as the fitting is pushed on. Now, without pulling the trigger, read the pressure on the gauge. The color that the needle points towards determines the next step in the recharge process. Detach the coupler from the vehicle by pulling back on the connection ring to release it from the port. If included, proceed to unscrew and remove the plastic spacer between the trigger assembly and can. Shake the can well, then screw it onto the gauge trigger assembly by turning counterclockwise. Note that the can and gauge will unscrew from one another in a clockwise manner and reattach by turning counterclockwise. This applies to all R1234YF cans and gauges. Reattach the recharge hose back onto the low side port. Make sure to always hold the can upright at the 12 o'clock position when recharging. Squeeze the trigger to dispense refrigerant and charge the AC system. While doing so, shake the can up and down, alternating between sideways and upright positions. Every 15 seconds, release the trigger to check the pressure reading on the gauge. It is typical for pressure to fluctuate as the compressor is cycling. If this happens, read the lowest pressure. Be careful to not overcharge your system and never let the reading make it into the red range. Once the PSI is between 26 and 50, move to the cabin to check if the air coming out of the vents is cold. If it is, recharging is complete. Do not try to get it to the highest part of the green zone, as it may overcharge the AC system. This will not make the air colder, and it also risks damaging the AC system. When recharging is complete, remove the coupler from the low side service port and replace the plastic cap. Store any unused refrigerant in a cool, dry place. Need more info? Head to rechargeac.com.